In this video, I'll show you how to get YouTube video URL link. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. And if you love to copy a video link that you love to share with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones on YouTube, I'll show you how I can be able to do that. So I'm going to be using the YouTube app. So I'm going to open YouTube. So I'll be using our channel. Let me see how to do. So this is our channel. This is how to do. So let's say if I love to copy, or if I would love to get a YouTube video URL link, I'd love to share with my friends and my family. What I need to do, I'll just select the video I want to share, right? So let me say if I want to share this, how to install Facebook app on iPhone, I'll just click on this three-dotted icon. You're going to be able to see share, so click on it. So click on copy link. So you just see I just copied this YouTube video URL link. So this is how I can basically do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the very next video.